Greetings from WebCardio. In this instructional video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of initiating a WebCardio procedure. You can download the WebCardio mobile app from the App Store or Play Store and install it on the patient's phone. Open the app, explain the WebCardio features and privacy policy to the patient, ensure you obtain the patient's consent, and then click the Continue button. Make sure the time and date on this screen are accurate. Correct your phone's time if needed before proceeding. Ensure that the chest hair is removed before starting the procedure. Once you made sure about the clean chest and phone time, you can proceed to the next screen. Then, you'll be prompted to grant various permissions on your mobile device, camera, location, file access, notifications, and Bluetooth. For a seamless experience and uninterrupted execution of the procedure, please choose the Allow Permission button. You can input patient-related information on this page. You can find the biosensor ID on the biosensor itself. Next, you need to enter the doctor's name and email ID. You can enter them directly here. Or if you have QR code with the doctor's details, please select the QR code scanner button on the right side and scan the QR code provided by WebCardio. Now enter the patient info such as name, MRD ID, gender, age, height, weight and phone number. Now the time to add the clinical information such as indications or symptoms. And follow-up visit date. Then select the next button to continue. The app will display a summary of the information you've entered. You can review, make edits if necessary, and confirm to proceed. From here onward, the app will guide you through the step-by-step process of pairing with the biosensor. You need to ensure that phone's Wi-Fi is on before starting the process. Start by pressing biosensor's power button at the center to begin. Wait for the biosensor's red light to blink. Once it does, click Connect on the app screen. A successful pairing is confirmed when the app moves to the next screen and the red blinking on the biosensor turns green. This signals a successful pairing and you're ready to prepare the patient for biosensor application. Clean the patient's chest with an alcohol swab. Allow at least 30 seconds for the alcohol to evaporate. Then, use a dry wipe to ensure the skin is completely dry. Now, we are prepared to apply the biosensor to the patient. Identify the application area in the left upper chest quadrant by using two fingers to locate the area just below the clavicle and touching the sternum. Carefully remove the plastic back cover without touching the gum area. After applying the biosensor to the body, ensure that it's completely fixed on the chest surface. Use your index finger to press around the 4 electrodes of the biosensors at least 4 times. Additionally, apply pressure to the outer area of the central rectangle box in the same manner. Position your fingers on the central box and press downward for 10 seconds. Following these steps is crucial for the procedure's success. Based on extensive research by WebCardio, these steps take less than 3 minutes but significantly contribute to the collection of high-quality ECG data for accurate diagnosis. After applying the biosensor successfully, click Continue in the app to view the ECG data on the phone screen. You're almost done with the procedure initiation. Click Start Recording and access the instructions page. Now, WebCardio recommends providing a brief instruction to the patient. From here you can select the customer support language needed. You can glance through the warning and precautions. Ensure that you are handing over the following leaflets to the patient after a brief explanation. Transfer ECG. Report symptoms. Biosensor care. The Holter diary. Selecting the Done button will take you to the home screen. The next data transfer time, ECG received information, procedure end time, etc. can be seen on this screen. Remind them about the normal ECG transfer timings 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. and the importance of reporting symptoms both in the app and in the Holter diary. Using the Select Language button, you can choose preferred app language for the patient. From the More option, patient can access the helping videos in their selected language. Mention the importance of restricting certain movements for at least an hour, especially avoiding significant left-hand movements after applying the biosensor. Lastly, reassure them that customer support is available for any further questions or concerns. Healthcare professionals and technicians must follow these instructions diligently to ensure a smooth and successful completion of the WebCardio procedure.